What is up, everybody? So here we are coming into Daytona, and we're going to go through the injury list for this week, and, well, not this week, but, injury list in general, and it is a long one. Obviously, the big news right now, Austin Forkner, he's gone. He broke his collarbone, or had his collarbone broken, however you want to say it, in the crash between him and Jet Lawrence. Really sad to see. He just cannot seem to buy any luck any season. Every year something seems to happen, and, well, collarbone broken. He's gone. Really sad to see. There's a whole list of this, though. So we have a lot of people to get through. And obviously, we're going to skip some of them, like the 250 East guys, obviously, or West guys. We don't care about the moment. West, East, whatever. Max Anstey, he has a lot of things. A rib, neck, lung, heart injury. He crashed in Minneapolis. Broke 2 ribs, a collapsed lung, and a bruised heart. So he's gone. Benny Bloss with a collarbone. He's gone. Collarbone and ankle. We all know Adam Cianciarillo's out. Josh Hill hurt himself last week with the broken hip and pelvis region. Van Martin's out with a back. Freddie Noren is out, hoping that apparently he's been dealing with some lower back pain. So he's hoping to sit out for Daytona and come back later and feel better. Hopefully Freddie Noren's back. I always like seeing him. Aaron Plessinger again broke his arm. That's a thing. Alex Ray had appendix injury, or appendix surgery, not injury, so he's gone. Jerry Robin gone. Joey Spacci out with a knee with a torn ACL, so that's gone. RJ Rageman broke his wrist in Arlington. He's gone. There's a lot of people here. Justin Cooper, obviously, he's been gone all season. That's nothing new. Jack Chambers injured his AC joint, so he's out for at least 4 weeks. Isaiah Clark is out. Ryder Floyd is out. Austin Forkner, again, collarbone broken, out. Jonah Geisler, out. RJ Hampshire, in. He doesn't have a concussion. He's in. Levi Kitchen, out with a knee. Jeremy Martin, out with a shoulder. He broke his left labrum, with problems with his left labrum. Jet Reynolds, out with a wrist. Cody Schock, lung, shoulder, knee. He's completely broken. Max Voland, out. There's a lot of people, and then we're going to skip the West because obviously we're not in that season or series, and they're all resting and coming back for the final shootouts. But that's a lot of people. There's a lot of people injured, and it's a lot of big names when you consider AC, Forkner, Kitchen, who was looking really fast, Jeremy Martin, who's a fan favorite, Freddie Noren. There's a lot of people. Aaron Plessinger, who's become super popular lately, and there's a lot of people out. Very, very thin field now, or thinning field, but hopefully everyone comes back and we get the full experience soon.